Chapter 1, Investment Strategies. Title, Introduction to Investment Strategies. Content, Investment strategies are plans or approaches designed to achieve specific financial goals through the management of assets and investments. These strategies can be broadly categorized into active and passive management. Active management involves frequent buying and selling of securities to maximize returns, while passive management involves holding a portfolio of securities for an extended period. Investment strategies can also be based on various factors such as risk tolerance, time horizon, and investment objectives. Subtopics. Title, Risk Management. Description. Risk management is a critical component of investment strategies. It involves identifying and mitigating potential risks that can impact investment returns. Risk management techniques include diversification, hedging, and asset allocation. Title, Portfolio optimization. Description. Portfolio optimization is a quantitative approach to constructing an investment portfolio. It involves using mathematical models to identify the optimal mix of assets that balances risk and return. Chapter 2, Stock Market Analysis. Title, Understanding Stock Market Analysis. Content, Stock market analysis involves evaluating and interpreting data to make informed investment decisions. There are two main types of analysis, fundamental and technical. Fundamental analysis involves examining a company's financial statements, management team, and industry trends to estimate its future performance. Technical analysis involves studying charts and patterns to predict future price movements. Subtopics. Title, Fundamental Analysis. Description. Fundamental analysis involves evaluating a company's financial health, competitive position, and growth prospects. It includes analyzing financial statements, such as the income statement and balance sheet, to estimate a company's intrinsic value. Title, Technical Analysis. Description. Technical analysis involves using charts and patterns to identify trends and predict future price movements. It includes using indicators such as moving averages and relative strength index, RSI, to generate buy and sell signals. Chapter 3, Financial Planning. Title, Introduction to Financial Planning. Content, Financial planning is a comprehensive process that involves creating a tailored plan to achieve financial goals. It includes assessing an individual's current financial situation, identifying financial objectives, and developing a plan to achieve those objectives. Financial planning involves creating a budget, managing debt, and developing a savings plan. Subtopics. Title, Budgeting and Savings. Description. Budgeting and savings are critical components of financial planning. A budget involves allocating income to various expenses, while savings involve setting aside a portion of income for future goals. Title, Debt Management. Description. Debt management involves managing and reducing debt to achieve financial freedom. It includes creating a debt repayment plan, consolidating debt, and negotiating with creditors. Chapter 4, Wealth Management. Title, Introduction to Wealth Management. Content, Wealth management involves managing and preserving wealth for high net worth individuals. It includes creating a comprehensive plan to achieve financial goals, such as retirement, estate planning, and philanthropy. Wealth management involves a range of services, including investment management, tax planning, and estate planning. Subtopics. Title, Investment Management. Description. Investment management involves managing a portfolio of investments to achieve financial goals. It includes creating a diversified portfolio, monitoring and rebalancing the portfolio, and adjusting the portfolio to changing market conditions. Title, Tax Planning. Description. Tax planning involves minimizing tax liabilities to maximize wealth. It includes using tax-deferred accounts, such as 401k and IRA, and taking advantage of tax deductions and credits. Chapter 5, Economic Trends. Title, Understanding Economic Trends. Content, Economic trends involve studying the overall direction and patterns of the economy. It includes analyzing indicators such as GDP, inflation, and employment rates to predict future economic conditions. Economic trends can impact investment returns, and understanding these trends is critical for making informed investment decisions. Subtopics. Title, Monetary Policy. Description. Monetary policy involves the actions of central banks to manage the money supply and interest rates. It includes setting interest rates, buying or selling government securities, and regulating money supply. Title, Fiscal Policy. Description. Fiscal policy involves the actions of governments to manage government spending and taxation. It includes setting tax rates, allocating government spending, and managing government debt. Chapter 6, Case Studies and Conclusion. Title, Case Studies and Conclusion. Content. In this chapter, we will examine case studies of successful investment strategies in financial planning. We will also summarize the key takeaways from the previous chapters and provide a conclusion on the importance of stock footage for financial institutions. Subtopics. Title: Case Study 1, Retirement Planning. Description: This case study will examine a retirement planning strategy that involves creating a diversified portfolio, managing risk, and maximizing returns. Title: Case Study 2, Wealth Management. Description: This case study will examine a wealth management strategy that involves creating a comprehensive plan, managing investments, and minimizing taxes.